Charts turn numbers into pictures. The right chart type makes a pattern obvious, the wrong one buries it. This lesson covers the core chart families and when to pick each. Inserting a chart. Select your data, including headers. Insert recommended charts for Excel suggestions, or pick a specific type from the chart gallery. Resize and reposition by dragging. Use chart design and format tabs to fine-tune. Bar and column charts compare categories. Column chart. Vertical bars best for short category labels and few to medium categories. Bar chart. Horizontal bars best for long labels, region names, customer names, and many categories. Stacked column composition. Total plus parts over a few periods. 100% stack share of total when the actual totals don't matter. Line charts. Trends over time. Line charts shine when you have dates on the x-axis. They make growth, drops, and patterns obvious at a glance. Avoid more than 4-5 lines on the same chart colors blur together. Pie and donut use sparingly. Only use a pie chart when you have 3-5 slices maximum. The slices add to a meaningful whole 100%. You want to communicate share, not exact values. For more than 5 slices, a sorted bar chart is almost always clearer. Scatter and bubble relationships. Scatter relationship between two numeric variables, for example, price versus units. Bubble adds a third variable as bubble size. Combo charts. 2 metrics, 2 scales. Right-click a chart, change chart type combo. Common pattern. Revenue as columns plus growth percent as a line on a secondary axis. Chart. Hygiene. Every chart you ship should have a clear title that states the insight, not just the metric, revenue grew 18% in Q4 beats revenue. Use labels instead of relying on a legend where possible. Sort the data in a meaningful order, largest to smallest or chronologically. Use a single accent color for the key series. Mute the rest. Try this. For quarterly performance data, build a column chart of revenue by quarter. Switch to a line chart which tells the story better. Build a combo chart with revenue as columns and growth percent as a line on a secondary axis. Rewrite the chart title to state the insight, not the metric.